Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Thursday attended the 73rd plenary session of the North Eastern Council NEC held in Shillong and chaired by Union Home Minister and NEC Chairman Amit Shah in the presence of Union Minister for Development of North Eastern Region donor Jyotir Aditya M. Scindia and Chief Ministers of North Eastern states. During the plenary session, reports prepared by various higher-level task forces constituted to accelerate sector-specific growth across the Northeast were presented. The reports outlined a comprehensive roadmap aimed at fostering coordinated development among all 8 Northeastern states. Conrad Sangma welcomed the initiative of the Union Home Minister and the Donor Minister in setting up the task forces, describing it as a significant step towards focused and collaborative regional development. He noted that the exercise marked a first-of-its-kind policy direction for the region, with the NEC playing a pivotal role in strengthening the interstate cooperation. The Chief Minister expressed optimism over the implementation of the recommendations submitted by the task forces and said the roadmap would help advance the shared vision of growth and development for the Northeast in line with the directions of the Union Home Minister.
Today we had the 73rd plenary session of the Northeast Council, which is chaired by the Honorable Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah ji. And in the session, our Honorable Union Donor Minister was also present. All the governors of all the 8 states of the Northeast and the Honorable Chief Ministers of the 8 states were present today. And all the officials from different states and different central government ministries were also present. During the course of the session, there were different aspects of policies that were discussed. And I'm very pleased to state that the Honorable Union Minister and the Honorable Donor Minister had constituted national high-level task forces headed by different chief ministers on different subjects that were important for the Northeast. For example, agriculture-related task force, tourism-related task force, infrastructure-related task force, sports-related task force. And all of these task forces have given their presentation today, and they have given a report and the way forward in which the entire Northeast and the different states can work together to push the different agendas that are there, and how, rather than working as individual states, they can work as a united team for the entire Northeast. And maybe for the first time we are seeing this kind of a policy direction being taken by the Northeast Council, which is something that many have been speaking for a long time. So we are seeing that thought process today finally actually fructifying. And NEC, from being just a funding agency today, has become into a policy agency, and an agency that's creating different thought processes for the Northeast and the different states in the region. And it was a very productive meeting, and now we look forward to actually seeing the reports being submitted by these high-level task forces being implemented in the next 1 year. And that is the direction that the Honorable Home Minister and Donor Minister has given to each of the Chief Ministers who heads one respective high-level task force. And we hope that we will see a lot of positive results, as it will be a collaboration between the states of the Northeast and a coordination between the central ministries for Government of India, and a mechanism of making sure that they work together to achieve the common goal.